and welcome to Rock Studios at Automation Fair. I'm Juliana Ackerbloom and I'm on the social media team here at Rockwell Automation, and I'm so excited to be here in the Rock Studios booth today to discuss all things around the next generation of manufacturing. Now, we hope you were able to make it to Automation Fair here with us in Chicago, but if you're viewing from home, we welcome you to jump into the chat of this live stream to say hi and tell us what you're interested in learning about with the next generation of manufacturing. So here with me to dig deeper into this topic is Alessandro Biondi, Senior Director of Sales for EPLAN USA, representing both EPLAN and Rittal. And they are also one of our elite sponsors at Automation Fair this year. Alessandro, thanks for joining me.
Yeah, thanks for having me. It's a interesting period to be in, and the manufacturing industry is going through a fascinating transformation, if you will, and technology's evolving faster than ever, and all of our customers and prospects are looking at how do they grow, and it's not just about doing more, it's just doing better too. So
yeah.
I'd love to talk about this topic.
Absolutely, and the focus on smarter, more efficient growth is becoming essential across the industry. So now, with that in mind, the US manufacturing industry is also racing towards smart factories. Yet many companies are still in these early stages of digitalization. What's holding them back?
It's not about ambition. It's not that they don't want to do it. It's really about the execution. That's really what's holding them back. And every day manufacturers are investing in automation, but their design and their production are still disconnected, and their processes remain disconnected. And the real change isn't just about adopting technology. It's really aligning people and the processes and really the data at the end of it. And that's why today transformation is really just as much as it's cultural as it is technical.
Yeah, that's a great point. And technology alone doesn't solve the problem if everyone and everything isn't aligned, right? So in your opinion, what does growth actually look like in this new era of manufacturing?
Yeah. As I mentioned before, growth really isn't about just about volume, right? It's about intelligence. It's the way that you're approaching the solutions. It's the ability to align data, the design part, the execution part, into really a seamless and connected flow. And when teams have access to those connected data points or that connected information, they don't just move faster. They really they're able to make smarter decisions. They're able to innovate quicker and really scale sustainably. And growth becomes honestly a choice, not a constraint.
Yeah, I agree. The companies that win are the ones that are turning insight into action. So now let's talk about AI. There's a lot of hype around this. Where do you see it genuinely transforming in engineering and manufacturing?
AI can be a dirty word sometimes, right? There's a lot of fear and automation as well, and really how we're developing and looking into AI for our solutions, it's really going to bridge that gap between the experience or that tribal knowledge and execution. It's going to capture that engineering expertise, right? And make it reusable and really help that next generation that are coming in, so that we can scale instantly. And instead of replacing people, AI is going to amplify them, and it's going to allow smaller teams to really deliver more with higher quality, faster delivery, less manual work, and really that's how we're dealing with some of the demographic shifts that we see in the industry. So
yeah, that's a great point. AI's real value is extending the human expertise, right? So not replacing it. So in terms of understanding this, it's common that you see this growth as an emotional decision as well, not just a technical one. So what do you mean by that?
So I am from Italy, so emotions is in every part of my life. But when leaders see what's possible, faster turnaround, better quality, less dependency on again that manual effort, it really changes how they think about their business, right? It's not just about machines or about software or about hardware. It's really about progress and the pride that they have, right? In the end, that journey or that transformational journey becomes personal to them as in business leaders. And that's when that change really sticks.
Yeah. Well, Alessandro, this has been a great discussion. Thank you for sharing your insights on how manufacturers can unlock growth through technology and transformation. And thank you all for tuning in to watch this video. And if you'd like to learn more about anything that we discussed today, we will drop a link in the comments. Now, there's so much taking place at Automation Fair, and I'm excited that we were able to share some insights on the next generation of manufacturing with EPLAN and Rittal. Now, don't go far. We are streaming live the entire day to keep all of you updated with everything happening at Automation Fair. Thank you for watching.